Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffin cups. First, gather your essential materials: a roll of parchment paper, a pair of sharp scissors, and a sturdy, round object like a drinking glass. This simple method ensures you always have a baking solution. Make sure your parchment is food safe for the best results. You'll be surprised how easy this is. Now, let's prepare the parchment paper. Carefully cut the parchment into squares, each measuring approximately 6 inches by 6 inches. Each square will become one individual muffin cup. Precision here helps create uniform cups that fit perfectly into your muffin tin. This step is quick and sets you up for perfectly baked goods, ensuring consistency every time. Next, it's time to shape your cups. Take one parchment square and center it over the bottom of your chosen round object, like a drinking glass. Firmly press the paper down and around the base of the glass, creating distinct creases. These creases are crucial for defining the cup structure and ensuring it holds its shape well. Work slowly for the best results. Finally, gently remove the newly formed parchment cup from the glass. You'll see a perfectly shaped cup ready for use. Place this homemade cup directly into your muffin tin. Now, simply fill it with your favorite muffin batter and bake as you normally would. Enjoy your delicious muffins, knowing you made the cups yourself with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.